This afternoon, I am aiming to put this horse on that carbon fibre box down there. But in order for me to put this horse on that box, I need to take this horse off this box and put this box in that box, and then both boxes under this horse. So I'm just gonna then hook it up to the forklift, lift it up, unbolt it, take it off, and then we'll figure the rest out as we go. The new addition to the Foundry family, his name is Brian. Brian the forklift. It's a 3.5 ton Perkins diesel engine. Bomb proof. That's in, Trevor. Just suck it and see. We're gonna eke him up slowly. We have liftoff. The idea, now he's off the floor. There are two 20mm nuts there. I've now got to unbolt those, and these threads are going to come out of this box, and then this box we're going to put in that box and see if it fits. I think it's going to be fitting quite snug, don't you? Gotta stay hydrated. Because on the inside of that box, where they've glued it, they've asked me to sand and bevel down the corners of this one, so when it does go down, it doesn't actually sit proud, it actually sits flush. So basically, gang, this box was made off-site, this box was made here on-site, and obviously the dimensions we gave them was the outer dimensions, outer to outer, as you would normally measure a box. This carbon fibre sleeve is so snug that I am going to have to try and round off these edges. It does sit on there, that's a bonus, win, but I am going to have to sort of round these edges off more so, keep rounding them off. There's me thinking, yeah, no worries, Rich, easy job, hours work, you know, just slide the box on. But no, the easy jobs are never the simplest or the quickest. They're always the ones that take the most time. So, instead of me talking about it, I'm just gonna grind, baby. Well, it's a bit snug, but I think we found a solution. Hey! Yay! Come on, baby! One, two, three. So when you don't have a lump hammer big enough for the job, you go to the next best thing. I've done it! He's fucking done it! No digger buckets were harmed in the making of this video. Hole saw. I'm just going to drill, because there's already holes in this box that we prepared earlier. And now I'm just going to drill a hole through here. I'm going to drill, and I'm going to flip it over, and I'm going to cut a hole from the other side, and then we're just going to try and put that horse on and see what he looks like with his carbon fibre trimmings.